Under Agents, you'll be able to see information related to agent performance. Enter a time frame to analyze and click Apply. Once you do that, GoContact will display a graphic showing the total calls and the total lost calls. You will see total live agents, total talk time, total wrap-up time, total pause time, total ready time, and the average calls per agent. Under Agents is a list of all of your agents, their ID, their name, the total number of outbound calls, the total time of those outbound calls, the total number of inbound calls, and the total time of those inbound calls, the total successes, and the total pause time. To dig deeper into a specific agent statistics, click on the agent. Here you'll see the agent name, the total calls they've taken for outbound and for inbound, the total talk time for outbound and inbound, the total wrap-up time for outbound and inbound, the total pause time, the total wait time, and the total voice login time. You can view the outcomes that this agent has applied to the different campaigns. You'll see the outcome name, whether it was outbound or inbound, the name of the campaign or queue, the total calls, the total time of those calls, and the average time of those calls. Scrolling further down is a timeline with the performance of the agent and a graph based on the totals for outbound and inbound. Note that these totals are based on the classifications or outcomes that you configured for the campaigns or queues where the agent is working. You also have a graph displaying the total time the agent spent with respect to pause. Scrolling to the top, under Database, is the information regarding the databases in your domain. You can view the database, the number of contacts in the database, the total calls, new contacts in that database, callbacks, recycles, successes, completed, maximum tries, human answers, positive and negative leads, the penetration percentage, which is the positive outcomes divided by the total leads, the percentage of reach, which is related to the positives divided by the completed, and the response, which is successes divided by the positive. If we click on a database, we will see a graphical representation of the contact outcome and contact status, in addition to the contacts outcome and totals. With this information, you can do a quick analysis of your operations performance.